What up, what up? I got 10 trade ideas for you guys, but before we get into that, let me tell you guys real quick on why I sold my Netflix. I got stopped out of Netflix because we did remount the 9 EMA. I thought a W pattern was forming here at the bottom. You get to hear a little W pattern. And then you see here the 9 EMA got remounted. And I even posted it on X saying that it's looking good. But then today with some, I don't even know if it was news or not. I checked, I didn't see anything. I think it was actually good news, a partnership with WBD, Warner Bros. To get more content on Netflix. So that's bullish news to me, but the price action is not looking good. Kind of looking like a bear flag. Let me delete this to make it more clear. You have the pull right here and then the flag basing out. The moving averages are curling down. So I just don't like it anymore. These 10 trade ideas that we're going to go over now, they all look like better trades in my opinion. So let's start it off with Google. Google has been a hot stock. News recently came out that Warren Buffett was sitting all cash for a year, and the stock that he did buy was Google recently, and now everybody's trying to join the train. It's doing well because also I think it's trying to compete with NVIDIA with its AI chips, the TCU chips. But you can see breaking out, pulling back to the 9 EMA. Today's candle has signs of support right above the 9 EMA. Eventually it's going to catch up. I'm really liking Google. It's number one on my trade ideas. Tesla, I posted this on X. If you don't follow me, wake up with WOPs. Go follow me. I said that it was consolidating right under the 50-day average to really watch the remount. And today we are remounting it. I really like Tesla as it can continue going higher to all-time highs, 480s for sure. AVGO. Pulling back, I thought it was going to have signs of support yesterday, but that's why we like to see maybe a green candle. Today it's a little hammer candle on the 9 EMA, so if that's support to you, it could be a good entry, AVGO. Palantir, look at that 9 EMA just curling about. A lot of green days, so maybe some consolidation or a little bit of pullback. But I'm really watching the remount here around 179, this 50-day average. If you're bullish on this stock, you could probably enter anticipating that it goes above that. Same thing with Hood. I actually posted this on X earlier today, and it's happening right now. Consolidating under the 50-day average, and today remounting a little bit or right at that level around 132. A close right here will be pretty bullish. Let the moving average continue catching up. Maybe some consolidation here. I'm really liking Hood. It came down and filled that September gap. You see here a gap from this candle to this candle. It filled that, and now it's above these key moving averages, the 9 EMA and the 20 SMA. Hood is a hot stock. If I zoom out, it's on a nice uptrend. VRT, I believe this deals with like nuclear energy. Doing well. It's been showing kind of relative strength compared to other energy plays, and now it's above the 3 moving averages, some key moving averages, the 9 EMA, 20 SMA, and 50 SMA. I like it here. TMDX, medical specialties. We've been tracking this for a while with this trend line here. As you can see, it broke this downtrend, and now it's looking like it's going to break the horizontal trend right here, the breakout. Let me clear this out so it could be a little bit more clear for you guys. Showing support there at this breakout level and the 9 EMA. I would kind of wait for some signs of support, and then I could probably enter into TMDX because it has room to continue going higher to this maybe 177 area, 165. FAS, this also follows the financial sector, the banks. We are in JP Morgan. Let's go over it right now. So I'm not going to enter into this because we already have a major bank stock, but it's looking good right now. Other bank stocks like Morgan Stanley also looking good. You see here breaking out. So if you're bullish on the finance sector and banks, it's looking good for FAS. Be aware that it is a 3x leveraged ETF, so there is volatility. AEHR. We actually traded this earlier in the year. You can see when we zoom out, it's coming out of a bottom, and now it looks like it reached the little local bottom, little mini flag breakout on the daily. Right, today's candle's right under the 90 MA and the 20 SMA. It's looking good. It's already breaking out right now, but we could be patient, maybe wait for some pullback, some consolidation, and then a remount of the $25 area, which is this 50 SMA, this yellow line. That'll look pretty bullish. And then you could put your stop maybe under the moving averages or give it some space depending on how conservative you want to be, targeting the top of the range or maybe right here where the gap started. And lastly, ELF. It's probably my least favorite, but I could see the risk to reward here being pretty good. As you can see, you could enter here, maybe put your stop loss pretty tight under the moving averages, and then you could target the 200-day moving average, which is this red line, or to the gap where it had bad earnings, it gapped down. So the top of the gap, because maybe when it gets there, it could start rejecting. But that's it, guys. 10 trade ideas. I'm probably going to enter into one of these before market close. Peace.